We have like tie-dye, we have all sorts of tie-dye. We have tie-dye camis, we have shorts, and we have skirts. So this is a very nice, it's like a V type skirt. There's a picture out there that shows the proper fitting of the skirt, because it doesn't really show the fitting right now. Okay, so we have t-shirts, we have t-shirt dresses at the end as well. Yeah, okay, here I come. Okay, so these are like the t-shirts, and in the similar type of print we have t-shirt dresses also. The one like she's wearing, that's a t-shirt dress. Yeah, so we can customize for any color. So we have people who come and say, Acha, we want black and blue ya hai nahi, so we deliver it to them. Like that's not an issue, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'll tell you what, our clothing is very economical. We start from 450 and we go up to only 950. That's 450 to 950. That's it. Yeah. So these are sweatpants, yeah. You can call them pajamas also. So same thing. Anytime. So the cloth is such that you can wear it in summers, you can wear it in winters, in autumn. Any sort of weather is good. So that's not a problem. These are all cotton products. It's a cotton loop product. So it's something that's wearable around the year. That's not going to be a problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Very, very beautiful. How much they're going to cost?
This is 950.
950.
Yes.
Very reasonable.
Yes, that's what. It's very reasonable. And these are all hand tie-dyed. We just dyed them 2 days ago.
Alright.
Everything is dyed by us.
They are different colored patterns actually. This
Yes.
is very colorful green and pink.
It's a little light burgundy, I'd say.
Okay.
Yeah, towards the burgundy shade.
So, what kind of colors do you use?
We use cotton dyes only, and we use cotton products only. So it's.
Time it takes to make them up.
So I'll tell you what, making the dye, coloring them, letting them dry up, it takes around a day.
A day.
A day. For the product to be completely made, it takes a day. Yeah.
So let us see another color combination.
Yeah, definitely. So I really like this one as well. So this is the swirl pattern. We have different patterns also. This is a swirl and this is a marble. So we tie them up differently. These both are tied differently and then tied up. Yeah.
So winters are coming. These are winter wears or
So sweatpants you can definitely, everything here is some wearable in winters and summers both, but we have sweatshirts also. I haven't exhibited it this time because it was really hot. I thought kya zarat hai.
Right now I'm fanatic about them. Tell them where can they buy?
We have an Instagram store. We have an Instagram page. It's called picaro.store _ and we have a website also, www.picaro.store. So my name is Gitaini.
My name is Bhavika.
And we are from Jalandhar. So our business is about resin products, and we also make soy wax vegan candles. So basically resin products कैसे बनते हैं? It is just a liquid. एक chemical है जिसको आप hardener के साथ mix करते हो and you put different colors in it and silicon molds होते हैं इसके. Mix करने के बाद आप silicon molds में आप डाल सकते हो and after 48 hours ऐसे hard होकर cure होकर बाहर आप निकाल लेते हो. So basically इसका एक clear and shiny looking appearance आता है. These are coasters for like keeping cups. हाँ जी. And these are wooden trays for serving, and these are wooden platters. Okay, so what we do is, जैसे इसके अंदर these are all real pressed flowers and real dried oranges. This is for 1950.
19.
Yes.
1950.
Yeah.
All are handmade.
Yeah. Everything is handmade.
Everything that you see here is
You
handmade.
make it at home.
We both. Yeah. हाँ जी.
It's a small business actually.
Yeah, it
Run
is.
by you people.
Yes.
Yes.
In Jalandhar only.
In Jalandhar
He
only.
has to buy it, then where to go?
No, we deliver them. Courier कर देते हैं हम उनको.
कहीं तो पूछेगा ना.
Yeah. It's on
No,
Instagram.
no, actually where
Yeah, it is on Instagram. You can get it on Instagram by the name The Allegria. So वहाँ पर लोग आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हो एंड हम कोरियर करके भिजवा देंगे.
जी मेरा सत श्री अकाल जी. मेरा नाम सुप्रिया हैगा. ਇਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਨਾਨੀ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੈਗਾ। ਉਹ 95 ਇਅਰਸ ਕੇ ਹੈ, ਮਿਸਿਸ ਹਰਭਜਨ ਕੌਰ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬੇਸਨ ਦੀ ਬਰਫੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਫੇਮਸ ਹੈਗੀ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਫਾਦਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਹੈ। 100 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਰੈਸਿਪੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਤੋਂ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਖਾਣੇ ਦੇ ਟੱਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਹੈ। ਪਿਓਰ ਦੇਸੀ ਘੀ 'ਚ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ बेसन दी बर्फी, आटा पंजीरी, वक्री वक्री तरह की अचार चटनीज़, बादाम का शरबत, टैंजरीन स्क्वाश। हुण असी दिवाली वास्ते फेस्टिव गिफ्ट बॉक्सेस किए हैं, तो ये कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं। हम अब अमेज़ॉन पे भी डिलीवर करते हैं अक्रॉस इंडिया। सो ये हमारे कुछ गिफ्ट ऑप्शंस हैं जो हम अब अमेज़ॉन पे भी लिस्टेड हैं, तो अक्रॉस इंडिया कोरियर वगैरह भी करते हैं। और इनकी शेल्फ़ लाइफ वगैरह बहुत अच्छी है, कुछ ख़राब नहीं होता है, तो काफ़ी प्यार और वो मिला है। हाँ जी, वो शी हेल्स फ्रॉम तरन तारण अमृतसर, पर नाउ सेटल्ड इन चंडीगढ़। तो हमारा काम सब चंडीगढ़ में ही है। अब अक्रॉस इंडिया हम भेजते हैं, बट हमारा बेस चंडीगढ़ में ही है और टेस्ट बिल्कुल पंजाबी है।
Rashmi Bindura. So the whole exhibition is put up by me. It's called the Festive Lane, and it is actually really festive. You know, what has happened is that we were sitting at home and not doing much, but yes, yet doing a lot. You know, so we were sitting, we were doing, we were enjoying, and then we came up with a lot of our collections. चाहे वो छोटा था, चाहे वो बड़ा था, चाहे वो मम्मी थी, चाहे वो मैं थी. So thought of this concept called the festive lane. तो इसको थोड़ा सा फेस्टिव कर दिया। और मैंने तो खैर बहुत पेंटिंग करी उसी दौरान, एंड बहुत यूनिक चीज़ें बन के आई। आप ये देखिए, ये एक लहंगा है, इसमें एम्ब्रॉयडरी भी हुई है, पेंटिंग भी हुई है, और थोड़ा सीक्वेंस वर्क भी हुआ है। सो इसको ये बहुत ही यूनिक बन जाता है, राइट। अगर आप आएंगे तो ये मेरा हैंड पेंटेड और दुपट्टा है, और मैं आपको एक पीस दिखाऊंगी उसका। ये रही, ये एक बाटिक है। यू नो, बाटिक एक कला है जो थोड़ी मरती जा रही है, तो उसको रिवाइव करने के लिए ये दुपट्टा मैंने बनाया। और इसके साथ मैंने एक लहंगा भी बनाया जो एक कॉटन में है। ओके, जो इसको बहुत ही वेरेबल बना देता है। मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं है हमें बहुत ज़्यादा चमक कपड़े पहनने, पर थोड़े बहुत चमक भी आपको फेस्टिविटी का रंग दे सकते हैं। इसके साथ मैंने ये दे दिया है। यू नो, इट लुक्स लाइक रियली नाइस बिकॉज इट्स अ डिफरेंट कलेक्शन। सो आपको ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बहुत चमक वाले कपड़े पहनने, आप थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग और यूनिक कपड़े भी पहन सकते हैं इस फेस्टिव सीज़न। तो बाकी बहुत कुछ लेकर आई हूँ इस एग्ज़िबिशन में, छोटे बड़े, एंड काफ़ी लोगों ने अपना हैंड प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करे हैं। किसी ने इयररिंग्स बनाए हैं, किसी ने बैग्स बनाए हैं, किसी ने होममेड प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए हैं। सो कोई मसाला है तो कोई यू नो जुत्तीज़ भी हैं, कईयों ने बनाई हैं, और कईयों ने लैम्प शेड्स बनाए हैं, उनको डेकोपाज वगैरह किया। सो ऑल इन ऑल I've had fun collecting all these beautiful people in this exhibition called the Festive Lane.
Hi, I am Tejasvi. This is Sharang. We are Bloom Coffee Roasters. We are specialty coffee roasters from Chandigarh. The first ones in town to do it. We roast very high grade specialty coffee. That's our bag. So we work with a lot of farms down south. All our coffee is sourced and is made, and all of it is from India. This is very high grade specialty coffee. That's what we get. We get green beans. We roast them here ourselves, and we pack them and sell them. So a 250 gram pack is for 400. Starts from 400, goes up to 495. Then there are sample packs for 75 grams. They start from 125, go up to 150. Yeah.
Fresh coffee.
This is freshly roasted coffee. These are all roasted today morning. Yeah. So it doesn't get fresher than this. Yeah. So we do coffee beans, we do ground coffee. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Minu Parashar. We've already met, and I'm here at Mount View presenting my new collection of Shilp Kosh. We have few 3D paintings. Now these are now this one represents Punjab, something from Gujarat, again Gujarat, then this is from Rajasthan. So each piece has a new dimension, new perspective to it, a new angle to it. I've just experimented with the presentation. You've already seen these sculptures ever since time immemorial, but I guess you've never seen artifact in this form and style and color. So I hope you'll like it.
Hello, welcome to Kitchen Stories by Us. It's by Daman and Aman from Chandigarh. Stories by Us. We have everything gluten-free, plant-based and vegan and plant-friendly diets. We have everything from brownies and pinnies. Our pinnies are specialty. These are zero oil and there is no artificial sugar in this. We have hazelnut cranberry biscottis. We have these dry fruit laddus and these motichur laddus in that. We have tiramisu jars. We have carrot cake. All these are plant-based and vegan, animal-friendly, environmental-friendly stuff. We would love everyone to come and try everything. And you can always place an order online and on a call. Thank you.
Today I've come here to this hotel, Mount View, to see this exhibition and especially to encourage these kids, especially Sumer Bhatia and Ananya, who have taken an excellent initiative in this, the Helping Feet initiative. You can see this is for the underprivileged children who doesn't have the basic facilities like shoes and all. So they have done an excellent work, excellent job towards providing them these facilities. Today when people don't care about the underprivileged, people are not only worried about themselves, they are just self-centered and selfish. These kids have come forward and this is really an excellent idea. I, as former Deputy Mayor of Chandigarh, want to really congratulate these children who have taken such a good initiative, and I wish them all the success and whatever support we can give them as a political party also and as an individual also. Thank you.
Hello, I am Pooja Rana from Divine Decor Dreams. I am all the way from Dehradun. I have complete range of home decor items, from Kantha bed covers to quilted bed covers, brass items. These all are our brass items. Then I have beautiful wooden products. These are silver coated products. These all are brass. You can see beautiful cake stand, cheese platters, masala dans, beautiful bed sheet, all 100% cotton. You can check our Facebook page and Instagram page by the name Divine Decor Dreams.
These paintings are by me, by the name of Brush Strokes by Monica. I've always been passionate about painting since childhood, but never kind of got really into it. But suddenly probably the lockdown and stuff just got me into my art. And all thanks to my elder daughter and my younger daughter who motivated me to just, Mom, go on social media, start pasting, sharing, painting, and that's how I think probably I'm here today.